Check. All right. Now here.
There they are. Sort of.
out of shape, about wore out. This one, so it's time to put the slow grind to everybody now. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
I love you too, thank you. All right, okay, I'm going to try this again, all right? We're going to put the slow grind to everybody now. Are you ready? Some of these songs I wrote, some of them I didn't. But I wrote this one about 25 years ago. Got a little story about it after we get done. It's like this. Thank you. So that song's called A Dog. It's about a dog, but it's really about, well, you know. One time we were playing at this event, a private event, about 20 years ago, up in the mountains somewhere, right? And there was all these people, they were camping, okay? There were a bunch of campers, and they had all these dogs running around, right? All these camping people's dogs were all running around, and nobody was paying attention to all these dogs. There must have been 20 of them, really, literally, from little Chihuahuas to, you know, German Shepherds and Springer Spaniels and Dachshunds, and there's all these dogs running around. And they're all out running all over these campers out in the field, in the country, up in the mountains. They're running around having a good time. And all the people are kind of hanging around while we're playing, and they're dancing, having a good time, you know. And all of a sudden, we belted into it. Gonna put a slow grind to you. All of a sudden, you know, all the people were dancing, right? And all of a sudden, here come all them dogs. I swear by all that's holy, all them dogs come out there on the dance area, and they're all jumping on their, you know, their humans. Serious, this is a true story. And they're jumping around, and they're, you know, and they're wagging their tails, and they're running around playing with each other, and they're jumping on their human beings, and they're dancing around. And all these dogs, all of the dogs come out there. There must have been 20 dogs out here on the dance floor, right? They're all over the place. The minute we went, stop the song, all the dogs stopped wagging their tail, and they walked away. True story, true story. Anyways, I better play you another song. This one requires a different harmonica. Okay, so this one is, if you guys ever got Amazon Prime, this one is a song that was in a movie called Shattered from 2017. And if you watch the movie Shattered on Amazon Prime, you'll see me playing this song on there. And on the movie, and it's a real movie starring Ray Wise.
Oh, yeah.
Ray Wise. Ray Wise? You guys know who Ray Wise is? Stars Ray Wise. And anyways, I went to Los Angeles and lip-synced this song. And you know, but I can guarantee you, if you watch 5 minutes of the movie, you'll see me in there. And then you guys don't have to watch no more if you don't want to. I never watched the whole movie. I saw myself, a little vanity coming out here. A friend of mine watched it. The other guy that was playing, he played guitar in the movie. He watched it and he said it was, I would waste my time if I watched it. But watch it. You might have different, you know, might like it. But anyways, this song comes from the movie Shattered. One, two, three, four. and turn on Amazon Prime and watch that movie, Shattered, 2017. I made enough money off of that to, I made 28 cents off of that, so whatever you can do with 28 cents. So anyways.
That's after taxes, right?
That's right, that's right. So anyway, how about this? It's time for the blues. Anybody dig the blues in here? Okay, we're going to do some country music or some kind of pop now, because nobody made enough noise when I said, do we dig the blues in here? Come on, everybody. Said you love me, baby. Please call me on the phone sometime. He said you love me, baby. Please call me on the phone sometime. When I hear your voice, you know you ease my worried mind. One of these The party said another me. Now listen to me. I said listen to me. I'd like to know if someone listening right now. Come on, somebody, and say yes. Come on, somebody, and say yes. Are you listening to me? Come on. I said, listen to me. I said, listen to me, people. I was down in my neighborhood one day. I was talking with some friends of mine. They were laughing at me. They said, another me. Now, after a while, I went back home like a good man should. And I pulled my key out from my pocket and I unlocked the door. And there was my wife. She was standing in the doorway. She was crying. She said, another me. Now the little girl, she was jumping up and down on the floor. She was batting her hands together and she was patting her eyes. And she looked straight at me. And she was saying, and she was saying, and she was saying, and she was saying. She said, John Clifton. That's me, y'all. John Clifton, there's another mule been a kicking in your stall.
Do it again!
Working hard tonight.